thank you so much po. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure to be part of your very special night, Jang. I was in your very first one.
Yes.
Dyan sa kanto lang. Dyan lang sa kanto. And, you know, back then, I was very proud of you already. Natutuwa ako na ang daming blessings na natatanggap mo at ibinibigay sa iyo ng Panginoon. Alam mo kung bakit? Bakit po, Miss Meg? Pwede huwag maingay. Serious to eh. Because you waited. You waited, and you waited for a long time. And I'm sure a lot of those times you were already questioning if it's ever gonna come your way. And finally, it's here. So we are all very proud of you. Lahat ng taong nandito ang ipinunta, ikaw. Hindi kami, ikaw ang ipinunta. So,
Maraming salamat, sir.
congratulations. I just want to say that I'm very proud of you sa maikling panahon na nagkakilala tayo. So, mga 30 years na, no? Oo. Napakabait po nitong taong ito. No? Kaya ang masasabi ko lang ay, deserve!
Deserve! Thank you so much, Miss Reg. Sabi naman po, isa ko po talaga sa mga inspirasyon ko ever since.
Ano
And,
naman?
tama ka, Miss Reg, yung unang concert ko na doon ka rin po sa kabilang kanto. And to be fair po, parehong walang TF. Ganyan ka pa.
Ayun, may TF ako!
Ala! Yung TF mo na punta sa akin. Ganun mo ka-generous ako ni Sir Jean Velasquez Alcacid. Isa mo naman. Ooh! What a big top jelly.
Thank you for having me, and again, congratulations. May God bless you more.
Maraming salamat, Miss Reg.